Hearing loss affects millions, and over-the-counter hearing aids like MDHearing have become super popular. But the real question is, do these hearing aids actually work, or are they just overpriced gimmicks? Let's find out. So MDHearing offers a range of affordable hearing aids designed for mild to moderate hearing loss. They are available without a prescription, direct to consumers, with models ranging from basic amplifiers to more advanced programmable devices. They are marketed as budget-friendly alternatives to traditional clinic-fitted aids, often at a fraction of the price. But budget doesn't always mean worth it. So how do they stack up? MD hearing aids use digital amplification to boost sounds based on your hearing needs. Some models come with presets, while more advanced ones offer customizable settings with an app or audiologist support. They aim to amplify speech and everyday sounds, reduce background noise, and improve clarity in conversation. Unlike basic sound amplifiers, they're digital, which means they process and shape sound, not just turn the volume up. But you still need the right fit and settings to get the best results, and that's where things get nuanced. Here's what real users commonly report. Positive feedback include noticeable improvement in hearing everyday sounds, better conversation clarity in quiet environments, and much more affordable than traditional clinic devices. However, limitations some users mention include less effective in noisy places. Feedback and whistling can occur if fit isn't perfect, and some people still need professional adjustment for best results. That's pretty typical for budget hearing aids. They help a lot of people, but they're not a one-size-fits-all miracle. Here's an important distinction. Clinic-fitted hearing aids are calibrated to your exact audiogram. They are often more precise and better in challenging listening environments. OTC hearing aids like MDHearing are designed for general mild to moderate loss and can be a great option if cost, access, or convenience are concerns. For many people, especially first-time users or those with milder hearing loss, OTC devices are a solid entry point. So do MD hearing aids actually work? Yes, for many users with mild to moderate hearing loss, they do improve everyday hearing and clarity, especially in quiet settings. However, they might not match premium, clean-fitted devices in complex environments like noisy crowds or where precise tuning is needed. The bottom line, if you want an affordable, effective boost, MD hearing is worth trying, especially with the trial and return policies. If you have significant loss or complex needs, a professional audiologist and custom aids may still be your best bet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.